Ever wondered why green tea is so popular worldwide? This ancient brew has become more than just a warm, comforting drink. It's a dietary staple that millions swear by for its health benefits. In fact, the love for green tea spans across continents, cultures, and centuries. Today, we're diving into the world of this fascinating beverage, shedding light on why it has earned such a stellar reputation. So grab your cup and settle in. Stay tuned to discover the 6 amazing benefits of green tea. One of the primary reasons why green tea is so beneficial is because it's rich in antioxidants. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about antioxidants? Well, they're like the body's defense team, working tirelessly to protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals, often a byproduct of our body's metabolic processes, can cause oxidative stress, which is linked to a range of health issues, from heart disease to cancer. But here's where green tea steps in. It's packed with powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols, particularly a type called catechins. These catechins go to work neutralizing harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting overall health. They're like the superheroes of the cellular world, swooping in to save the day. So, in a nutshell, that's why green tea is so fantastic. It's not just a refreshing beverage, it's a health-promoting powerhouse. So, the first benefit of green tea, it's an antioxidant powerhouse. Did you know that green tea can also contribute to heart health? Several studies have shown that this ancient beverage can help reduce the risk of heart disease. It's all thanks to its rich content of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that's known to promote heart health. These flavonoids help reduce inflammation in the body, a key factor in heart-related issues. They also help lower bad cholesterol levels, which can clog arteries and lead to heart disease. But that's not all. Green tea also has compounds that can help lower blood pressure, another significant contributor to heart disease. But remember, while green tea can contribute to heart health, it's not a magic elixir. It's important to pair it with a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, next time you're reaching for a beverage, consider green tea. It's not just refreshing, it's also packed with heart-healthy benefits. Drinking green tea could indeed be a heart-healthy choice. Besides heart health, green tea can also boost your brain function. Imagine a world where your morning drink not only wakes you up, but also sharpens your mind. That's the magic of green tea. It's not just about caffeine, though it does contain a healthy amount of it. This caffeine helps you stay alert and focused, but without the jittery side effects often associated with coffee. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Green tea is packed with compounds called polyphenols, among which is a unique one, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. Research suggests that EGCG can have various beneficial effects on the brain. It may protect brain cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Moreover, green tea also has an amino acid called L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier. It's known to increase the activity of the neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also enhances dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain. So, for a mental boost, consider a cup of green tea. But that's not all. Green tea also aids in weight loss, improves skin health, and may even reduce the risk of certain cancers. Now let's dive into the details. For those looking to shed some extra pounds, green tea might just be your new best friend. The potent combination of caffeine and catechins found in green tea can help boost your metabolism, enhancing the body's fat-burning capabilities. And unlike other weight loss stimulants, green tea is not associated with any harmful side effects, making it a safe and natural way to lose weight. Moving on, green tea is also a wonder for the skin. Bursting with antioxidants, it helps to fight the harmful effects of free radicals that can lead to skin aging and wrinkles. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin, reducing redness and inflammation. So, if you want a natural glow without resorting to expensive creams and serums, a daily cup of green tea might be all you need. But perhaps one of the most significant potential benefits of green tea is its ability to reduce the risk of certain cancers. Numerous studies have pointed out that the polyphenols in green tea can help kill cancerous cells and stop them from growing. While more research is needed to fully understand this relationship, early findings suggest that green tea could play a role in cancer prevention, particularly in cancers of the breast, prostate, and colon. In essence, green tea is more than just a soothing, refreshing drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can aid weight loss, promote skin health, and possibly even ward off some types of cancer. So, whether you're sipping it hot in the morning or enjoying it iced on a warm afternoon, Know that with every sip, you're doing your body a world of good. Indeed, the benefits of green tea are wide and varied. Now that we know the benefits, how should we drink green tea and how often? First off, let's talk about preparing green tea. It's not as simple as just boiling water and dunking a tea bag. Green tea is delicate, and too hot water can make it bitter. The optimal temperature is around 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just before boiling point, folks. If you don't have a thermometer, a good rule of thumb is to boil the water and then let it cool for about 10 minutes before steeping your tea. Now, onto the tea itself. Loose leaf is generally superior to tea bags, as it allows the leaves to fully expand and infuse their flavor. However, if tea bags are your only option, don't fret. Just ensure you're choosing high-quality, preferably organic bags. Steep the tea for about 2 to 3 minutes. Any longer and you risk extracting the bitter compounds; any shorter and you won't get the full flavor and benefits. So we've got our perfectly steeped cup of green tea. But how often should we be drinking it? Well, research suggests that 2 to 3 cups per day is a good range to aim for. This amount is enough to reap the benefits without overdoing it on caffeine. Yes, green tea has less caffeine than coffee, but it's still there. And drinking too much can lead to sleep troubles and other side effects. Of course, everyone's different, so listen to your body. If you start to feel jittery or notice any other adverse effects, it might be a sign to cut back. One last tip: try to drink your green tea without any added sugar or milk. These additions can mask the subtle flavors of the tea and diminish its health benefits. If you need a little sweetness, try adding a dash of honey or a slice of lemon. Remember, as with everything, moderation is key. So there you have it. 6 compelling reasons to enjoy a cup of green tea. From its rich antioxidant content to its heart-healthy properties, brain function boost, weight loss aid, skin health improvement, and cancer risk reduction. It's not just a beverage, it's a lifestyle choice. So why not make a cup and experience these benefits firsthand? Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Until next time, happy tea drinking.